Hello everyone, today here we are to learn about something new. The app for today is Book Creator app. It says the world is your audience. So let's create, read and publish. So let's understand how the Book Creator app works. So we'll start with the basics. So the moment we type Book Creator app in Google, the first option which we'll get is Book Creator. Bring creativity to your classroom. So the moment we go on to the website, I would like all of you to have a look at the website also. First of all, I'll show you what all things are there on the website and one of the samples. So I'll pick one of the sample from the website. Let's pick the book called, these are all the sample books we'll see. So 15 science project ideas. So let's see how it looks like. So the moment you look at the book, this is how it looks like. Let's see here. We can flip the book like this. So we can see and we can hear what's written on the book by just clicking on read to me.
1. Let's rock. Students can create an ebook to explore different types of rocks.
So this is one of the sample created by one of the creator. We will be trying to create something like this today. A sample book we'll be creating. So this is where we are right now. The site is bookcreator.com. It allows you to create your own book. You can read it, you can publish it online also, and it's an amazing tool to share with your student as well. So let's begin with it. First thing what you need to do is you need to create your free account. And you have to follow all the procedure of for creating account. You have to log in and put your respective email ID. And the moment you log in, you'll reach out to this page. This is my page where I have already created few books, and this is my home page. We'll just go to our home page. The moment when we'll go to home page, this would be visible to us, which is my book, Our Learning, Create New Library. So we'll try to create a new book today. So for creating a new book, you can see these are all the books which I have already created. I'll just show you what all things are there in these books. And so this you can see we could add multiple options. We will try to understand how to add all the options. We'll also try and understand how we could create book like this. So let's create a new book. So the moment you click on new book, you get these options and you get multiple options of creating book, and we can pick any of the options. So I'll pick square one-on-one, 1:1 comic book, let's say, and the cover page is available. We could add anything. So what we'll do, I'll try to add something from internet. So I'll take YouTube, and this gives us the search images from Pixabay, which is totally free. We don't have to worry about anything. And what I'm doing is I'm picking this image, which is a YouTube image, and you can see the YouTube image is available. I could also add text to it. We'll have to just go on to this, use text option, and let's learn about YouTube. So you could see I just wrote this and the title will be available to us. And yes, I can make it bold. And we are done. So you could see here it's there in the center. Let's learn about YouTube. So let's also understand which all are the options available. So there's an option of import, there's an option of camera, pen, text, and record. You can record anything. You can also record your own voice. So let's try to record here. You can see the moment you'll go to the recording option, you get the option of start recording. The moment I'll click on start recording, I'll get 3, 2, 1, and then we can begin. So hello, today we'll try to learn something about YouTube, and we will put it on the Book Creator app. Thank you. So I can just have a audio check whether. So hello, today we'll try to learn something about YouTube, and we will put it on the Book Creator app. Thank you. So that's it. I feel my recording is fine enough. So I'll be using this recording here, and you can see I'll get a small pop-up message here, which gives a symbol of speaker. So we can just try to put another image, fun. So you could see these are all the images available. So I just picked this image here. So you could see, I'll get it here. So this is the first step to learn about YouTube. So you could see this is first page. This is my second page where I have placed this, and third page, I'll try to do something else. What I'll try to do is I'll try to import a video. I'll put a video from YouTube. So Book Creator app also allows us to put the video. So what we need to do is we have to go to YouTube, and I can just copy video URL and I can just paste it here. And you can see the moment we'll paste it here, we'll get a title name of the video, and we could see, I'll just rename it as OLAB on YouTube. So you could see the video is available here now. So I have 3 pages created. I have added image, I have added text, I have added image again. I also added sound here. You can see I have added video, and there are 3 pages. So if at all I feel that I want to shuffle the pages, yes, you could do that. You could just move the pages here and there, and you can shuffle the pages. So this is what I have done. Now we'll go to the next page and see. And now if I want to add more pages, I could do that. There is an option of all these. You could see text, pen, camera, import. These are all the shapes available which we could use as and when. We'll do now, I'll try to add image here. Again, I'm searching from internet. I'll use stick figure. So let's see what images I'll get. And you could see, I'll just pick this one and we'll use it here, and you can see how you can make it creative, how you can try and have it interactive also. So let's see, I'll just take this shape and we can just put it here, and I can add in this. Okay, YouTube is fun, and the face, this is, so you could see we have just created an a stick figure, and we've got a question here. So apart from that, we also have option of changing the background. I could just change the background the way I want. There is option of changing like this. This you could see here. Is YouTube fun? Yes, no. You could see these are all the options available to us. I'll pick this one. This seems good one. You can see there are various border options also available. I could just change the border. These are different border options available here in the app. It also gives you a pattern for the app. So what I'll do, I'll just pick any one border, which is like this. And so you can also add colors as per the requirement, but we'll do with this one, right? And okay, so this is what is there. And apart from that, this eye icon, you can see all these options. The page icon, you can see all these options. Text is also there, and you can also add text by your own self, or you can add text with the help of pen. So what I'll do now is I'll use this and use a thicker one, and let's see how it comes out. So I'll say, so you could see I just created another one, and I'm just clicking on done. And now here the thank you doesn't look good in this color. So what I'll do is for this, I'll just keep a normal background. You can see I can have different background for different purposes, different places. I could use something interesting for this, and let's see this one. That's it. So for different places, I could have different situations, different images. For this also, I can change the background. You can see here like this, as in when I need, I could just change the background. And this way we can create the app. I'll again change here. For this will have paper. Let's see what sort of paper could come here. I could just change it like this. And the last one is, this is the first page. So we'll see. So this looks fine. No, we'll keep it like this only. So this was about the book. And now if you want to see how our book looks like, so you can just click on this and you can see the book is available, and there are some options. You can just put it full screen. You can put it again back to the same place. You can download it as ebook. You can publish it online also. There are some settings available. The setting says side by side pages. If you don't want that, could do that. So now let's see what happens if I don't have that. So this is side by side pages are not coming. The pages are just going away. Now, if I have side by side pages, then what will happen? We'll see here. So if I'll keep the option of side by side pages, then let's see. You can see the book is moving by itself. And now if I want it to be read by itself for me, so
Let's learn about YouTube.
So hello, today we'll try to learn something about YouTube, and we will put it on the Book Creator app. Thank you.
OLAB on YouTube. YouTube is fun? You've reached the end of the book.
So you could see we are here back to the pages, and this way our book is ready. So if I'll go on to the pages, these are all the pages available. I could just go back and our book is almost ready with this. And I could just play it and go back. You can see, you can change the title of the book. And you can see I have created some other books as well, right? Our Earth Reflection of Lights. And this way we are ready with the book. I can just share this book with anyone. This was our book. I could just publish it online also. I can collaborate. I could collaborate with anyone in the real time. And this is how the Book Creator app works. So try, explore, and if you have any question, do put it in the chat box. I hope you have learned something from today's video. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye-bye.